In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create project in the end. So honestly, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do. So here we can see that we have no projects yet. So now we can just click on plus in the right bottom corner and then just click on new project. So here we can choose different videos we want to add. For example, this and this. And now we successfully created our project. So if you'll then just want to close our app, you can open it once more, and in the folder projects we can see our project. So if you'll click on it, we will have the same result. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.